Hey there! Want to know how to get a loan on PayPal? Whether it's for personal shopping or your business, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, for personal loans, PayPal offers Pay in 4 or Pay monthly for purchases. At checkout on a PayPal supported site, select Pay in 4 for purchases between $30 and $1,500 to split these payments into 4 interest-free installments over 6 weeks. For bigger buys up to $10,000, choose Pay monthly for 6 to 24 months. But note it has interest rates from 9.99% all the way to 35.99%. You'll need a PayPal account and a quick eligibility check, no hard credit pull for Pay in 4. Easy, right? Now for business owners. PayPal offers working capital or business loans. Log into your PayPal business account, head to the financing section, and check eligibility. Working capital loans range from $1,000 to $200,000, repaid via a percentage of your PayPal sales. Business loans go up to $150,000 for first-timers, with fixed weekly payments. No credit check for working capital, and funds can hit your account in minutes if approved. To apply, ensure you have an active PayPal account. For business loans, you'll need at least $15,000 in annual PayPal sales and a 90-day account history. Just fill out the short form online, pick your terms, and sign the agreement. Done. That's it, guys. Whether it's a split purchase or funding your business, PayPal makes borrowing simple. Got questions? Drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.